So that the way I design any product up until now is always and always keeping in mind the benefit of every stakeholder inside the whole scenario. And even the same thing is there for the diamond. The way I have designed the whole diamond is definitely going to help each and every member who's really wanting to be there. Okay, so let me just take you to the to the to the intention. With what intention have I really created this whole process? What exactly am I really wanting to do inside the whole diamond, and why am I really inviting all of you to be a part of it? Now, I have a very clear-cut intention, and that intention is about empowering every entrepreneur to become an impactful change maker. When you saw the video today, my message to each and every one of you in the video itself was that every entrepreneur need to be a change maker. We need to be that change maker who is working towards abundance of time, money, as well as relationship. You're working towards the abundance of creating resourcefulness for yourself to tackle all the difficult problem which is coming your way. All of this is really going to benefit each and every one of you. And together, I want to help 100, I want to create 101 crore change makers in the next 5 to 7 years to come. How many of you guys, you are super ready to become that one change maker out of the 100 over the next 5 to 7 years time? If yes, can you just write down 1 CR in the chat box? Are you guys ready to know even that yes, I want to become that 1 CR guy, 1 crore change maker person for my family? And it will take some time. It is not that everything can be done within a few months, within 10 months, 12 months, maybe 2 years. It is not the same. It may take different time for different people because everybody's working style is different. The emotional baggages we have is different. The circumstances with which we are working is also different. So all of you, you have the potential to really become that 1 crore change maker in your family. The only thing is, don't compare yourself with anybody. Today, when I will be showing you a couple of case studies, you will feel that, oh my God, they have already come so far. Can I really reach there? My answer to all of you is yes, you can reach. All the people who are currently in diamond and they are really doing great, they all started like you. But the only difference is they took the right call at the right time. Today is the right time for a couple of you. May not be for every one of you, but definitely a couple of you. So stay tuned, and I'm going to give you the complete idea about what exactly do we do inside the whole diamond. Before I give you all of the things which is being offered as a part of the diamond, first of all, I want to give you the idea about why should you join diamond. What is there in diamond that you should be joining? Features and everything, definitely I'll explain you. I'll showcase all of you. I'll showcase everything. So why should you join diamond? And what is the basic difference between the silver gold membership and the diamond membership? So what's the major difference? Okay. Now coming to why you should join diamond, you should join diamond for many multiple folds, multiple number of things. The first one is about the action taking energy. It is a space where everybody has put higher and deeper skin in the game. Each and every member has put more skin in the game. Because you put more skin in the game, you have more pain in your heart. When you have more pain in your heart, you don't want to lose anything which you have already put the skin in the game. And because of that, your action taking becomes very fast. If you agree, if we have any diamond member here and you agree to this, just write down 100% agree to this and this. And if you're still not a diamond member, but you can understand the concept and you feel that, yes, in reality, this is the truth, can you just write down 100% agree in the chat box? Yeah. Yeah, all of you, those who understand, you can simply write. Yeah, thank you so much. Megha, 100% agree. Sunita, 100% agree. Sanya, 100% agree. Saravnan, 100% agree. Yes. So those who put more skin in the game, they really take a larger step forward. Had that not been the case, I would also not be putting a lot of my skin in the game because I'm also playing a bigger game. At every stage of our business, we need to put more skin in the game. And when you keep putting more skin in the game, you will automatically see that the way you behave, the way you take action, the involvement and the deep connection of yours with your own vision, everything will have an exponential shift. When that happens, your inner core pushes you to do more. When your inner core starts pushing you to do more, you become ready. You become more ready. And then you see that everybody in and around you, everybody, they are action takers. Everybody is taking some kind of an action. And that gives a lot of energy for the whole community to start taking action. Do you all agree and do you all understand why people in diamond are actually getting result? It is not because you don't know something and they know a lot of things. That's not the case. The only case is because they have put more skin in the game, they feel more accountable. They feel more responsible for the whole scenario. How many of you feel that you really want to be more accountable to yourself? If you want to be more accountable to yourself and fast track your entire growth, can you just write down fast track in the chat box? Are you ready? Do you feel that yes, if I become more accountable, I will really fast track myself? Just go ahead and write down fast track if you agree. You don't have to write if you don't agree. Write only if you feel yes, that's the whole scenario. That is how really it works. Okay. The second reason why you should be joining diamond is the community support. You will see that, and it is being told that when you are traveling in the same boat, everybody has the risk of sinking. Everybody. And when you see that your peer, they also have the same risk of sinking, you also have the same risk of sinking, you try to save each other, that both of you don't sink. And that is a game which really works very well when you go up and you start putting more skin into the game. The diamond community support is super awesome. People who are already a diamond member, and if you are here, I know you will agree to it, that there is somebody or the other who really comes for your rescue. Every single time there is somebody or the other who is standing as a rescue beyond me. And if you agree, guys, can you just write down rescue in the chat box? This is a space where everybody has, you will find somebody or the other who will come for your rescue. And that fast tracks everybody. That fast tracks the whole scenario of working for your benefit. There are multiple other reasons, but now I want to tell you about, I'll go deep into the different reasons while I'm sharing with you what exactly comes inside the whole diamond. But I generally want to give you a quick idea about the difference between the silver membership and the diamond membership. So whether you belong to the silver or the gold, so of course you learn a lot. I do understand that in our silver, in our silver itself is a lot of learning. By the way, how many of you feel that our silver is really, really powerful? If you feel, can you just write down silver powerful in the chat box? Yeah, silver seems to be powerful. Many of you, great. Now, if silver is powerful, diamond is ultimately powerful. Ultimately powerful. You know why? Because in silver, you are forced to do something of your own. You are compelled to do on your own. Why? Because there are a lot of support forums which are available in diamond. It is not available in silver. Like, we don't meet one-to-one. I don't know what is your business. I have no clue about what is the messaging you are doing to the market, how much ready you are in terms of your technical setup. Do you even have a funnel or you don't have a funnel? I have really no clue. Do you all agree that? By any chance, if we work together in a one-to-one, it's going to be more powerful for you? How many of you feel that you will really fly high in case somebody can trace you and just tell you that this is going good, or maybe you just change this one and this is going to work? For how many of you feel that if somebody can just help you in terms of being there with you in every step of your journey, you can really fly high? You have the potential to fly high. If you believe that, can you just write down fly high in the chat box? Doesn't matter which stage of your business you are. You could be in any stage of your business. But if you agree, just write down fly high in the chat box. That happens in diamond, which I'm not able to do in the silver. I sometimes feel through that this is specifically a portion which I'm not able to do in silver. But yes, it cannot be done as well, because it's a big community. The silver is a very big community. So now what I'll do is I'll just take you uh, to the couple of challenges which people really face in the diamond, in everywhere, and how diamond certification can really help you overcome these challenges. And quickly after that, I'll take you to each and every features which are available in the diamond community. Okay. Now, there are multiple challenges. The biggest challenge, I'll tell you, and the biggest challenge exists not only with the diamond, it exists everywhere. Okay. The biggest challenge is self-doubt. How many of you are really going through this? If yes, can you just write down self-doubt in the chat box? You doubt yourself. You are super high potential, maybe. You already know your subject very, very well. You already feel that, yes, I really know what is to be done, but you don't take the action, or you don't feel confident to take the action, only because sometimes you feel, am I really doing right? Should I be really doing this? Is this the right action I should be taking? How many of you guys, you have been trapped with self-doubt? And be honest, you don't have to, I mean, feel bad about, yes, I'm going through. I'm also having self-doubt, by the way. Okay, the way I should be fast tracking myself, many times I feel that I'm not fast tracking the way I can. There is enough I can do beyond what I'm doing, but probably something stops, but probably that speed stops. So these self-doubts, sometimes even if it comes, sometimes your speed goes down. One challenge. Now, how do you overcome these challenges? You overcome these challenges by the help of the whole community, by the help of we working together in a personalized coaching program. And I will be sharing with you exactly what it is. Another challenge is all about not having the right kind of product market fit. You are not very sure how to go about the product market fit. You have a fair understanding, but what kind of product should I be creating? How should I be taking it to the market? What messaging should I be doing? All of this, for how many of you really need a little bit of support in terms of the product market fit? Can you just write down PMF in the chat box? If somebody can help you understand the PMF, you will really move fast and you can fly superbly high. How many of you feel that product market fit is something which I'm really looking forward to? Maybe if I get a little bit of idea, I'm all done. That is one of the challenge which holds back people, not only by weeks, not only by months, but actually by years. People are not even to take action on the product market fit even for multiple years. Lot of these all challenges you will overcome when you are a part of the small, high performing, extremely high action taking community called Diamond.